Well, I used to have a lot of fun when I was a kid doing science, and so I wanted to perpetuate that a bit, perhaps with some simple experiments. And I discussed it with a friend of mine another Nobel Prize winner, and we were saying, well, wouldn't it be great to have a book which has a modest number of Nobel Prize winners in there in different areas of the sciences, and with each chapter have an experiment which is some way connected to the Nobel Prize.
I think it might help them to do their own experiments and maybe to inspire them and learn about the Nobel Prize winners and how you do it. I'd probably like to win a few Nobel Prizes. I'd like to try to find a cure for disease like Parkinson's because my grandpa has it. But it's not really so much about winning a Nobel Prize as helping people.
I get a lot of pleasure out of seeing people, me talking to people like Mary, because of course I've got my own grandchildren, and then Mary is just a great age where she's starting to get interested in the more intricate areas of science, starting to think about what she might do when she grows up. When Mary wins her first Nobel Prize, people will say to her, Mary, it must have been so wonderful winning the Nobel Prize, and she'll say, like me, actually the most wonderful part is making the discovery and knowing that you've got some new knowledge that's going to help mankind.